The main reason you need to consider storing your filament correctly is that filament can absorb moisture from the environment, which can affect the quality of the print. PLA absorbs the least amount of water, therefore it is not necessary to store it correctly. TPU and PETG, on the other hand, absorb a lot of moisture, and I highly recommend storing it correctly. Subscribe so you don't miss a video about how to easily print TPU. To prevent moisture from getting to filament, put it in a Ziploc bag. Then put desiccant in the bag to absorb the moisture that may be in there. Most of the time, filament will come with a desiccant bag which you can use. This video is just on storing your filament. However, if you're using other filaments than PLA like TPU or PETG, you may want to look into a filament dehydrator. Comment, and thanks for watching. How do you store your filament?